Good evening, traders, and welcome to the F&O Show with Bereez. Today was the first weekly expiry for the month of December, and I hope it is not an indication to how the rest of the December month will be for option buyers. So as you can see from yesterday's close, we opened quite a bit gap of about 60-70 points. Mind you, yesterday's adjusted close was near 18,820 levels. So from there we opened up about 60 points up, and from there Nifty came down to 18,820 levels. That looked like the level Nifty will take some sort of support, and it did. It did take support there once. It took support there twice, in fact. But then just before the sort of lunchtime, if we can say, for about an hour, Nifty stayed in a narrow range of 15-20 points, as you can see, from roughly 12:15 to 1:15, 1:30, and from very narrow range, and uh, then the sudden fall of about 40-50 points came. Then it stopped a little, and then again the fall continued. And because the fall was so sharp, that even an option that was about three strike prices away uh, suddenly went 3x, and that is where a lot of SLs were hit. And no doubt the market again closed, market reversed. It went all the way up to 18,840 and then closed near 18,800. But that sudden fall was what killed a lot of trades, including mine actually. So not right from the open, where on the first candle I had entered into 18,750 put. So I was fairly far, and with the start of the day, I had a little bit of bullish bias in the first candle, that is. And that was simply because we had opened gap up, and I figured the most we will correct is till yesterday's close, and then the up move will continue. But after seeing successive two inverted hammers within first 20-30 minutes, second candle and then sixth candle, that is where I decided to enter into an 18,950 put. That was two strike prices away from the market. And that the 18,750, 18,950 call. And that call had significantly more premium than my put. So at this point, I maintained a bearish bias. Now all the way till one before that sudden fall started, I was about 70% of the max profit. My position showed 70% of the max profit as green, but within those two candles, that max profit fell down to 0.2 percentage. And at that point, I had two options: either to adjust my positions or to leave them as it is. And I picked the third option of just exiting my positions, because I wasn't sure whether adjusting will actually help, because a similar fall in the week prior had taken out my position by quite a lot. So I just figured anything I'm getting, I will take and at least start this month in green. I know it is a bit of a mental accounting thing, but still, I prefer to keep the first day of my calendar in green. So that's my trade.
Continuing with the first day of green, and then today, me being an option where I my calendar starts with a green day. Finally, the like nowadays there is momentum back, and as Gandhar said, do if the December is slightly as volatile as today's day was, it'll be easier for an option buyer. Not easier. It's basically when you have momentum happening and you're on the right side. Yes, then money can be made. So yeah, today for me was a great day. I took two trades. One was, as I've told you guys, I had marked this level yesterday. I saw this happening in a 15-minute time frame, and I didn't even wait for this hammer to just close. I was so sure because whenever gaps are filled, and I was so sure whenever the ranges are broken out, and a retest is done, I just went long here with mere 10 point stop loss. Took my 1:2 trade, and I was done in my an option where I doesn't need to sit for a day. I was in fact done within 10 minutes, and then I was just looking at this and telling Gandhar how it's going, how the second half might have spikes, and he was like, "Yeah, it might happen." And we both, when this candle happened, I remember we both were, I think, having our lunch, and yeah, we had to really rush. And when I saw this fall happening, I had to message Gandhar saying, I hope you are out of your positions. I hope you are out of your position. And now people would say option buyer needs to capture. In fact, this fall was so fast that I couldn't even enact to it. So I was like, okay, great. So I did wait. I sometimes spikes do. Whenever spikes happen, there is also one theory. Whenever there are spikes that happen, they generally don't last. Okay, so a reversion can be seen. So I was all set. I waited for the 30-minute closing, and I was all ready to go long also. In fact, I went long. So what happened in the second trade that I took was here in this candle, and now that I had made my money, I have this habit, or you can call it a psychological thing. Let's say I made 10,000 rupees, I would only risk 2,000 in the next trade, so that even if I lose, I'll protect the profit. So I had gone long with 4 lots. I only went long here with 1 lot. Took a very small stop loss. No doubt my direction was right. I would have made more money. But that's okay. Second stop loss was hit. I just shut my terminal and protected my profit, whatever I had. But yeah, looking in hindsight, today was a day where I would have traded this and also this fall. Again, that's hindsight. Money is to be made every day. Market is there every day. So yeah, that was the only trade, two trades that I took and Gandar's trade. So I think wrap it up, Gandar.
Yeah, let's wrap it up. We can update on our positional trades on the Monday when
Yeah.
there is some movement in the PNL of those trades.
So thank you guys for tuning in. Please do follow us on our YouTube channel. Please do comment, share it with your friends. So follow us on our Telegram channel, our Instagram channel, and also please do visit our site bereez.in. Thank you guys. Have a great one.